Welcome back to Not Your Mama's Cooking Show, and today we're going to be making biscuits and gravy. I've never had an opportunity to make biscuits and gravy before. I've always wanted to try it, but never had the chance. And to be honest with you, I really suck at making gravy. Every attempt in my entire life where I tried to make gravy, it just did not come out right. So for this video, I did a lot of research, looked up a lot of videos, a lot of recipes, and I think today is the day that I'm successful at making gravy. Special thanks to KCJ for suggesting this video in our comment section. Are you ready? Let's get started. To start, we're going to make the biscuits. What you want to do first is you want to take our 6 tablespoons of cold butter and you want to dice them up really thin, really finely. You can put them in a food processor, or if you have a dough cutter, you can use that. But a method that I saw that looked really cool was to put them in a grater and grate it. So that's what I'm going to do. Now we're going to take our 2 cups of flour, pour that in there, followed by our teaspoon of salt and our tablespoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Combine all of that, do it real nice, and make sure the butter combines evenly with the flour. Now we're gonna pour in our milk. We're gonna do this slowly, so I'm gonna put a little bit in at a time and then mix it, and then add a little bit more and then mix it, and so on until I've combined the entire cup of milk. So I think I might have added a little bit too much milk, so I'm just gonna add a pinch more flour in here to kind of absorb some of that extra moisture. Our biscuit dough, everyone. Look at that. That was quick. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna flatten it out and form our biscuits. And since I don't have a biscuit cutter, because I've never made these before, I have options. I can use a cup. I've got a Red Solo cup and I've got a cup from Wahlburgers. I think the Wahlburgers cup is gonna make a better biscuit shape. Mark would be proud. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna place that on my baking sheet. Then I'm gonna take the rest of the dough, I'm gonna form it back into a ball, flatten that out again, then I'm gonna should be able to get 3 more. Let's see. So now what you want to do is you want to put them in a 425-degree oven for about 12 to 15 minutes until they're done. So now it's time to make the gravy. This is the part I've been waiting for. So what you need here is you'll need 1 pound of breakfast sausage. I chose to go with hot Italian sausage because I like spicy foods. But if you're totally down for breakfast sausage, keeping it mild, go ahead and use that. Like I said, I like spicy, so I'm going with Italian sausage. I'll start by putting my sausage in my pan. So now that the sausage is cooked, yay, now we're gonna add our 1/4 cup of flour. Get that in there, mix it up, get it to absorb all the juices, blend it with the sausage, make it look nice. Now that we have our flour in there and it's all cooked together, we're gonna add our 2½ cups of milk, but we're also gonna add it in slowly, gradually putting in a little bit at a time. See it, it's starting to mix with the flour and the fats and juices. Ooh, this looks so good. Now that that's good, put in a little bit more. See, I think I understand what I've been doing wrong this whole time. I think The way I was taught, it was just kind of throw the milk in with like everything, but no one ever taught me like patience, to kind of do it gradually, a little bit at a time. Let it thicken, cook in with the stuff, then add more milk. I feel like I'm gonna master gravy after today. So nice and white and creamy. It's got a little bit of color because of the sausage, but it's like that perfect, oh my God, I'm so excited. Let's do the rest of the milk now. And now I'm gonna add my 1/8 teaspoon of red pepper or cayenne pepper. Give it a little bit of heat, but not too much. Now that it's thickening up, I'm gonna add a teaspoon of salt. That's not too little, not too much. It's just always the right amount. But pepper, on the other hand, has always got to be at least a tablespoon. That in there, it wasn't gonna be spicy enough. Now it looks like country gravy, baby. Did it. We made biscuits and gravy. I'm stoked. This looks amazing. These biscuits came out flaky and fluffy. In fact, I'm gonna try the biscuit first. Really soft, really buttery. Throw some of this on there. Oh yeah. Wow. Now because I use the Italian sausage, the gravy is spicy because that's what I wanted. There's that kick of cayenne in there as well that gives it a little bit of extra spice. Salt was perfect, the pepper is perfect. The texture of the gravy is perfect. It's just the right kind of thickness. I'm gonna try getting a bite. Give me this biscuit that's been soaking in it for a minute. I'm so proud of myself right now. I finally made gravy, country gravy that's good. Normally I do it, I don't know, the way I was taught, you throw the flour in there and mix it all in with the juices. No one told me that you needed to cook the flour in with the juices, like you have to cook away the flour taste. I wasn't taught that. So now that I've got a better emphasis on how to do it, I'm so excited because I'm going to be making so much more gravy now. I want to give an extra special thanks to Casey J for suggesting this because this made my night. If you guys at home have an idea of something you would like to see me cook, leave it in the comments down below. If you like this video and you'd like to see more, hit that subscribe button. You know, I try to put a video out about once every 2 weeks. Click that bell notification so you know when the video comes out. If you liked it, give me a like. And with that being said, I think I'm going to chow down now on my biscuits and gravy. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time. So good. So good.